For sizes above US 6, locate the first 7 stitches for the first row. Find the central stitch marked by the line on the toe. Place a sticker on it. Count 3 stitches to the right from the central stitch. Mark the third stitch with a sticker. Count 3 stitches to the left. Also mark it with a sticker. We can double check, and there should be a total of 7 stitches. Indeed, with 7 stitches, you should be able to create 5 patterns in the first row. Remove first sticker on the right. Pull over the yarn. Use your hook to grab the yarn and draw out a loop. Work H&1. Insert hook and adjust the loop. Yarn over and hook out a loop to create a chain stitch. Locate the next stitch towards the toe. Position the yarn in front of the hook. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull out a loop. Now, you should have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull the hook through all 3 loops on the hook. To complete a half double crochet, repeat the steps to create an increase in the same stitch, which means to work to half double crochets into the same stitch. When you complete a half double crochet increase, you will create a diamond pattern. You should continue the process of working half double crochets into every single stitch until you reach the last stitch. By following these instructions and working 7 stitches initially, you should have 5 diamond patterns in the row when you finish. Then work a slip stitch into last stitch to finish the row, and turn to next. Use your hands to adjust the stitches and maintain a good shape. Pull the loop to fasten it. Insert a sticker into the loop to mark it and prevent unraveling. Pull the yarn to reduce the size of the loop. Pull over the yarn to the right. Insert hook into next stitch. Grab the yarn and hook out a loop. Lay the yarn gently alongside the stitches from the previous row, ensuring it maintains an even tension, not too tight and not too loose. Yarn over and hook out a loop to complete a chain 1. Then work half double crochet increase into every stitch. Every row is the same. Begin the row with a chain 1 to start, then Perform a half double crochet increase in each stitch and finish the row with a slip stitch. Pay attention to the position where we insert hook. For last pattern, on last half double crochet, we need to join the remain loop of previous row. Then work a slip stitch to finish. Learning to crochet one row may take some time, especially if you're new to crochet. However, practice and understanding the process for one row can help you master crocheting the entire upper part. Crocheting often involves building on the same techniques and patterns, so as you become more familiar with the basics, you'll find it easier to create whole project. Follow the steps to complete rows 3 and 4 on your own, and then I'll demonstrate how to skip a stitch. To maintain the curved shape of the vamp,